Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to show you guys this cool font app that I have. It's called, I'll show you it. Just look up fonts for iPhones for free. You can look that up, and then this will pop up. And this is the app I use. It's really fun. For example, I'll show you. I'll go to Adopt Me, and I'll show you how you can use it. This can only go on iPad and phone, by the way. Well, obviously you guys know that. Okay, so they're just loading in. Okay. So you can just come here, and then this will pop up. It will be a little close, but that's okay. And if you want to get VIP, then it costs money. But yeah, it's really fun. Like once you first start using it, it might be a little difficult, but then when you get a little bit better at it, it'll be a little bit more better. And by the way, if you guys see, a tour of it. So this is my couch. This is my TV. Yeah, it's pretty big. And here I have a little rug with bean bags. And this door, this is the guest room. There's 3 beds and a little bean bag here too. And this is my kitchen. I'm still working on it. This is what I thought of an idea so far. It's pretty bad, but I'll cut that out. So cool looking. Look. Ready, go. See? It's so cool. Just jumped over a person. Trading ox for 5 snowcats. ABC if you have a snowcat because I'm gonna make myself a mega neon. Megas are neons. Megas are like when your pet changes different colors, so that's technically neon. So why would you say mega neon? I don't know why. Okay, so I don't even know what to do. Oh my gosh, someone had a... What's her DP? Then I can maybe see what she wants. Let me see. Just look at her really quickly. Because I have a dream set, fishy army, rich, AFK dance. It looks like she doesn't really have a dream pet. And it says not giving free. Oh no, she just left it. Oh, she said okay, bye. He left too. Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna really want to offer for that. I'll just. Whoa, what happened to my first? Oh my gosh, what happened? Sorry. Any offers for this pet? plush. Oh, she's a plush character. Okay. I'm trading my queen bee. I already have a Cerberus that's ready, so I'm gonna call this. And a lot of you guys are probably saying, oh, why don't you just make a neon one? I don't really want that because making a neon or a mega is like really hard, so then that's why I don't want to do it. But yeah. Etty. Oh my gosh, sorry. It's my brother. Okay. Oh, hi. Hi, Kilo. I see you. Okay. Stop licking my nose. Okay. Bless you. Okay, sorry. So this is my brother. Now he put on the show. Great. Okay. Oh yeah, if you guys knew, the pet shop, dang it, sorry. If you guys know that the pet shop, they actually replaced it, look. Now the guardian lion is at front, and then the robo dog is being placed over here. I hate griffins, oh my gosh, I hate them so much. They're so disgusting, Sorry if I'm hurting any griffin lovers out there. I'm so sorry. It's just my own opinion that I don't like them. And if anybody loves griffins and I just broke their heart, I'm so sorry. It's because in my opinion, I don't really think griffins are very cool. Comment down below if you like griffins. If you don't, then just say, oh, I love griffins. And if you love griffins, what type of griffin do you like? The golden griffin, regular griffin? Whatever you like. But yeah, I actually bought that rainbow band. Is it even available in the pet shop anymore? Let's go check. Take these off now. Oh. Why does it do this to me? Okay, let's just leave. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and make sure to follow this person. This is my friend. It's basically SammyBoy67. He just made a different account. It is 777. Okay, guys, see his thing right there? Or if you can't really remember this, then just come to my account, Maddie's Gaming 909, and then just come to my friends, and then you'll see him right here, right there. C777, whatever it's called. Make sure to go follow him, and make sure to go follow or friend SlimeBoy67. He was my first ever friend in Roblox. He has a channel as well. I'll show it to you in a second. This is it. This is him. SlimeBoy67. Oh. Pretty cool face. Okay. But yeah, make sure to go follow both of them and follow my friend. What is it called? Meh13195. You can just come to my friends again and you can find her. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and go use this fount app. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments or comment down below if you like griffins and what type of griffin do you like? Regular griffins, golden griffins. So yeah, have an awesome day, guys. Bye. Like and subscribe. Caramel, say bye. Say bye. Okay, she's sniffing the mic. Now she's licking the mic. Good job.